Welcome back, guys. Today's the day. We're going to start putting it together. We're just mocking up the GV style eBay lip to the front bumper. So that's not going to go on in this video. Actually, the front bumper is not going on at all in this video.
You'll probably see it on the car mocked up.
Mocked up, and that may be like the cover photo. But we're going to get all the other panels on. Then we're going to do the cooling system. That way we're not leaning against the front bumper, scratching up everything we just worked so hard to get painted. So, want to start at the back of the car or start with the fenders?
Let's go with the fenders.
Fenders first?
Let's do it.
Alright, that's what we're going to start with.
Alright, so Tyler just started on this side.
I just mocked it up, put the bolts in so we knew where they were going and what we were doing. And I think I got it all right. So, you want to turn the light on, show them the new light that we got? Alright, so
Can't see shit with.
one bolt up front.
It's already so bright in here.
Yeah. Got one bolt up front. Got 4 up top. Got 1 inside the doorway. Got 2 underneath. Underneath will be hard to see because the car's low. And then if you go in here, that light will come in handy right now. You will be able to see there's 1 nut all the way back there.
Yeah, I can't see it from here, but I get the picture.
Yep. Alright, so we're going to snug this thing up and then we'll go mock up the other side.
Sounds good. I think we're going to cut to a time lapse.
Alright, we got this super heavy hood.
It's extremely heavy, guys.
Yeah, I told you it wasn't 10 either. These are big.
Do it slowly. Watch.
Bro, that's straight.
Straight?
Yep.
Close it. Now we can test the popper that we did in the last video, ready? Look at that, huh?
Alright, come on. Lights up.
Lights up.
Come back down. Dude, it looks perfect. You really couldn't have asked for better fitment.
Fenders are on, hood's on. We found the popper, or the prop. Now, we're going to bring the front bumper over. Headlights got to come up.
Headlights gotta go up. Is that better?
Yeah. It's like, it's got to come to me.
It's gotta come to me.
What?
Yep.
How's that even possible?
Oh,
Oh, there it goes. There we go. Hold on.
hey,
How's your side?
mine's good.
Okay.
Can you hold this for a second so I can get 2 bolts?
Bro, just take a second. Take a second, come back here. Come back here. Look at the fucking smile on that bitch. It's so nice to see her smile again. Look at that.
That GV lip is gonna be low once it's on there.
Oh, let's show him how low. Turn around. There she is. Bro, it looks like a car.
I actually
Whoa.
don't know how the hell we're gonna put that on.
Gonna have to drive it on the ramps.
How are we gonna get it off the ramps with this thing on there? Damn.
Dude, you got like a foot to come down. You got,
4, 6.
that's like 4 inches.
4
You're only
inches.
gonna drop the thing 2 inches anyway. Dude, that's fire.
Yeah. But the low profile, single strip, off-roading
6-inch.
LED bars, the low profile, just the single strip, should be able to fit right in there. Probably bolt it right to the bumper. Hardwire it right into the headlights.
Yeah.
So they're always on.
Dude, I'd wire them into the parking lights. Oh, it looks like a car again. So good to see.
Alright, so we got the front bumper on. We got the splash guards in. Let me take the... Ooh, I like this. I like this.
What the fuck is this?
Justin's getting all upset and throwing shit over here. We got the splash guards in. We did it all off camera. It's just quicker that way. Well, quicker for you guys. Got the bumper on. We took the air dam out for the radiator. It was a pain. So we just ripped it off. Literally.
Snap
Those are the bolts. We just snapped them off. Took the thing off. We got both sides of the car jacked up. Justin has 2 more bolts to tighten on his side of the car. And then we're going to put this GV style lip on. Alright, it's the next day. We've got...
What's the next weekend? Right, realistically. It's the next weekend. I'm saying the next day.
Well, it's the next day for them.
It's not the next, the same
It's
video.
the same video. Either way, we got new nuts, bolts, and washers to put this thing on. Well, so that's what we're going to do now.
Yes, sir. All right, boys. Well, car is it's a car again.
It's back together.
It is back together. So
Show them the beauties. Show them the rear bumper cut because that actually came out.
we did the rear bumper cut, and that actually came out really, really good. I'm like extremely impressed by that. So obviously none of the lights are screwed in or anything. They're literally just stuck in place.
Yeah.
Um.
Those out instantly.
Yeah. So we have to clear coat the car still. We have a couple spots of paint we have to touch up. Tyler wants to paint these covers.
Yeah. We
And
gotta repaint all this. They oversprayed everything.
yeah, so
Plus
one of the previous owners spray painted this car, and they oversprayed all
Everything.
this. So we're gonna go back.
These things are also shot, and to replace these, to replace all the gaskets that go around the whole car for the soft top, the doors, even around like the windshield and stuff. You're talking upwards of $500 to do all that. I'm not doing that. So, Justin, what are we doing?
We're just gonna rubberize coat them.
Yeah, so we're gonna mask all this off. And remember that white rubberized coating that we had that we did the fenders with?
Yeah.
We're just gonna go and buy black stuff and
mask it all off and just coat all the trim.
So all this is all oversprayed.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna mask all that off. Probably mask this stuff off and just spray it all.
That top is clapped. We didn't bother masking off the top of that at all because it's clapped. He has a different top. Yeah. So we never even bothered.
I mean,
we just spray painted it. There's
a massive hole. It's everywhere.
She's gaped open.
This is the original top. This top's never been replaced.
And it's a Florida car, so.
Yeah. Plus, there's some bolts and stuff in here that are broken. That's why this bounces.
Yeah.
It's just old.
Yep.
But yeah, we got a new top for it. The top that we got was broken. The plastic. It had a plastic window and it was all cracked. So we're gonna keep the glass window and just put the new top on it.
Put the new top in the glass window.
Yep.
So that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, none of the lights are together or bolted in or anything like that. We have some more to do still, but yeah. But anyways, guys, we also the finish panel. We didn't put that on. Why didn't we put that on?
That's gonna be a separate video where, I mean, it's gonna kind of be like a review as well as us putting it on, because it's an LRB panel. It's not original to the car.
No.
So it's going to be like a review video along with us installing it.
Yeah.
So
stay tuned for that one. All right, guys. Later.